Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Annu Adi Cute World. In this video, we can have a brief discussion about Constitution Day. Constitution Day is also known as National Law Day. It is celebrated in India on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. The Constitution is a set of written principles and precedents of the Government of India. It frames fundamental political principles, procedures, rights, directive principles, restrictions and duties of the government and the citizens of the country. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, chairman of the drafting committee, is considered to be the chief architect of Constitution of India. He is also called as father of the Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India was drafted by the members of the Constituent Assembly. From 1947 to 1950, India continued to use the legislation implemented when it was a dominion of Britain. In the meantime, the Constituent Assembly drafted the Constitution of India, which would replace the Government of India Act 1935 as the country's fundamental governing document. The Constitution was drawn from a number of sources, while India's needs and conditions were given paramount importance. B.R. Ambedkar studied the constitution of over 60 countries before drafting the Constitution of India. The Indian government's written principles and precedents are contained in the Constitution. It outlines the fundamental political procedures, rights, guiding principles, constraints and obligations of both the government and its population. According to the Indian Constitution, it is a democratic, socialist, secular and democratic republic. It guarantees justice, equality and liberty to its citizens. Constitution Day is also known as Samvidhan Divas. In the library of the Indian Parliament, the original copies of the Indian Constitution are preserved in a special helium-filled cases. Initially, 10 fundamental duties were listed. Later, the 11th duty was added as a result of the 86th Constitutional Amendment, which was passed in 2002. Major 4 types of constitution includes written constitution, unwritten constitution, rigid constitution and flexible constitution. Hope you all got some basic information about National Constitution Day and its importance from my video. If you feel it was informative, please like my video, comment your valuable opinions and share it with your friends and family. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Annu Adi Cute World for more informational and interesting videos. Thank you all. Have a nice day.